Hello dear students, welcome to your own class Chemistry with Minds. Namaskar. Today we will study Raoult's law of non-volatile solute. So let us start. Raoult's law of non-volatile solute. So first you should know what is the non-volatile solute. Non-volatile solute means solute which is having non-volatile nature. So when we will add the non-volatile solute to the liquid or the solution, what will happen? That non-volatile solute will displace or replace some of the molecules of the liquid which is present on the surface. And as you know, the vaporization is the surface phenomena. So as it is replacing the molecule of the liquid from the surface, correct? So number of the molecules of the liquid on the surface will decrease, and when it will decrease, it means the vapor pressure also will decrease, correct? But how much decrease? The decrement in the vapor pressure of the solution or the liquid will be proportional to the how much non-volatile solute we are adding, correct? So suppose this is the original value of the vapor pressure, because in the beginning there was no non-volatile solute, so that will be in pure state. That's why I written P0. Now when we are adding the non-volatile solute, it will decrease the vapor pressure. How much? Let us suppose it is decreasing PS. S means solute, non-volatile solute, correct? And that decrement will be directly proportional to the quantity or the amount of the non-volatile solute. So directly proportional to the number of moles of the solute. So let us take it as N2, because generally solvent is taken as a N1 and solute is taken as a N2. You can take solute also N1, no problem, but that is the general things. Okay, now here we have to calculate the relative lowering of vapor pressure. So how to calculate the relative lowering of vapor pressure? For calculating the relative lowering of vapor pressure, this value we have to subtract from the original value, so P0 minus PS. After that we have to divide this value by the original value. This is called relative lowering of vapor pressure. This is lowering of vapor pressure, and this is P0 minus PS divided by P0, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure. So relative lowering of vapor pressure means this is a fractional value. Now when we are taking this lowering of the vapor pressure in fractional value, then that also we have to take in fractional value. This is the number of moles of the non-volatile solute. So this also we have to take in fractional value. So mole fraction. So mole fraction of this will be equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2. What is the N1? N1 is the number of moles of the liquid, correct? And it will be equal sign. So this is the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Of non-volatile solute and N1 is equal to number of moles of liquid. Correct? So if you have any query, you please write in the message box. I will try to give you reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please subscribe it so that you can get the notification for my next video. Thank you very much.